అందరికీ నమస్తే అండి. ఈరోజు టాప్ 30 ఎంసీక్యూస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చూద్దాం ఏన్షియంట్ హిస్టరీ నుంచి. ఇవి ఆల్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్కి యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఈ వీడియో మీకు యూజ్ఫుల్ అయితే లైక్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోవద్దు. ఈ వీడియో టోటల్లీ ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి ఉంటుందండి, ఎందుకంటే నేను ఏఐలో సెర్చ్ చేశాను. ఒకవేళ మీకు అర్థం అవ్వకపోతే కామెంట్లో చెప్పండి. నేను నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో తెలుగులో నేనే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి చెప్తాను.
Who wrote the book Early Indus Civilization in 1948?
What is the meaning of the word Mohenjo-daro? The Indus Valley Civilization is also known as A. Vedic, B. Gupta, C. Harappan, D. Mauryan. Answer is B. Harappan.
Which river was associated with the Indus Valley Civilization?
A. Ganga, B. Yamuna, C. Indus, D. Brahmaputra. Answer is C. Indus.
Who composed the Rig Veda? A. Aryans, B. Dravidians, C. Mughals, D. British. Answer is A. Aryans.
Which is the oldest Veda? A. Samaveda, B. Yajurveda, C. Rigveda, D. Atharvaveda. Answer is C. Rigveda. The Indus Valley Civilization belonged to the A. Bronze Age, B. Stone Age, C. Gold Age, D. None of the above. Answer is the Bronze Age. In which year was the Indus Valley Civilization discovered? A. 1921, B. 1933, C. 1917, D. 1941. Answer is A. 1921. Purusha Sukta is mentioned in which of the following Vedas? A. Yajurveda, B. Samaveda, C. Rigveda, D. Atharva Veda. Answer is C. Rigveda. Which ancient Mahajanapada had its capital at Taxila? A. Anga, B. Kasi, C. Magadha, D. Gandhar. Answer is D. Gandhar. The Jain monastic establishment are called as A. Aparigrah, B. Swetambara, C. Bashdis, D. Turret. Answer is C. Bashdis. Hinayana and Mahayana are sects of which religion? A. Hinduism, B. Sikhism, C. Jainism, D. Buddhism. Answer is D. Buddhism. Which king adopted Buddhism after the Kalinga War? A. Ashoka, B. Harsha, C. Samudragupta, D. Chandragupta. Answer is A. Ashoka. Gautam Buddha was born in which place? A. Lumbini, B. Kushinagar, C. Bhotnagar, D. Bihar. Answer is A. Lumbini. Who was the founder of Jainism? A. Mahavira, B. Buddha, C. Ashoka, D. Chandragupta. Answer is A. Mahavira. What is the meaning of Mahayana in Sanskrit? A. Small vehicle, B. Great vehicle, C. Fast path, D. Great sacrifice. Answer is B. Great vehicle. Who was the grandfather of King Ashoka? A. Dasharatha, B. Chandragupta Maurya, C. Vaitashoka, D. Bindusara. Answer is B. Chandragupta Maurya. The Vedas were written in which language? A. Prakrit, B. Sanskrit, C. Pali, D. Tamil. Answer is B. Sanskrit. Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment at A. Lumbini, B. Sarnath, C. Bodh Gaya, D. Kushinagar. Answer is C. Bodh Gaya. Which dynasty was founded by Chandragupta Maurya? A. Gupta, B. Nanda, C. Maurya, D. Kushan. Answer is C. Maurya. The capital of the Kushan Empire was A. Pataliputra, B. Mathura, C. Purushapura, D. Taxila. Answer is C. Purushapura. The Gupta period is known as A. Dark Age, B. Stone Age, C. Gold Age, D. Modern Age. Answer is C. Gold Age. Who wrote Meghduta? A. Kalidasa, B. Chanakya, C. Banabhatta, D. Tulsidas. Answer is A. Kalidasa. Who was the founder of the Gupta dynasty? A. Chandragupta I, B. Samudragupta, C. Chandragupta II, D. Skandagupta. Answer is A. Chandragupta I. Who is known as the Napoleon of India? A. Ashoka, B. Samudragupta, C. Harsha, D. Kanishka. Answer is B. Samudragupta. The Allahabad pillar inscription is related to A. Ashoka, B. Samudragupta, C. Harsha, D. Kanishka. Answer is B. Samudragupta. The Allahabad pillar inscription is related to A. Ashoka, B. Samudragupta, C. Harsha, D. Kanishka. Answer is B. Ashoka. The famous iron pillar is located in A. Agra, B. Delhi, C. Jaipur, D. Varanasi. Answer is B. Delhi. Who wrote Harshacharita? A. Kalidasa, B. Banabhatta, C. Chanakya, D. Tulsidas. Answer is B. Banabhatta. F. A. Heen visited India during whose reign? A. Ashoka, B. Chandragupta II, C. Harsha, D. Kanishka. Answer is B. Chandragupta II.
అందరికీ ధన్యవాదములండి. వీడియో ఓపిక్గా ఇంతవరకు చూసినందుకు. ఈ వీడియో మీకు యూజ్ఫుల్ అవుతుందని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. లైక్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోవద్దు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.